this Windows.old folder in Windows 11. As you can see, it's taking up a huge space in my PC right now, so I'm going to show you how you can delete it. So guys, there you can see it's taking up a lot of space. If you try to delete it from here, it will not be deleted, so you have to open the disk cleanup, run as an administrator, and scan the C drive. It may take some time, but after scanning completes, you have to select here previous installation files and also other temporary files from here, and simply just select delete. And right now you can see it's cleaning up the drive C. And that's it guys, that's how you can delete the Windows.old folder in Windows 11. So that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.